everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these very cute, very beautiful small crochet wheel motifs like this. Very small crochet wheel motifs, dear friends. With these small motifs you can ornament baby blankets, baby cardigans, garments. Also you can ornament your beach hats, beach bags. It is very nice, dear friends. You can also ornament with these the gift boxes. This is very lovely. If you join them to each other, you can make a bookmark like this. You can make in the same color and you can sew up these. You can make a bookmark. Also, you can make a bracelet like this. You can also make a headband. In many occasions, you can use these small crochet wheel motifs. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. If you have this kind of scrap yarn, this project is very nice to use your scrap yarn, dear friends. These are cotton yarn. Of course, for example, if you are going to ornament a winter cardigan, you can also use with the same yarn by making these wheels. For example, if your yarn is acrylic yarn, you can also make these motifs, ornaments with acrylic, no problem. Now here, I'm going to make with cotton yarn and I'm using 3mm hook. First of all, I'm starting by making 5 chains. Before making 5 chains, I am making a slip knot. Like this, slip stitch. Upon this slip stitch, 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. And I'm inserting my hook through the chain 1, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch like this. We have a small circle now. I'm making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Now 2 times yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through this circle, yarn over, pull through. Meanwhile, I'm keeping this yarn end on the round. When crocheting, at the same time I'm hiding it. Anyhow, I made yarn over. 2 by 2 I will make pull through. 2 loops pull through, yarn over, 2 loops pull through, yarn over, and 2 loops pull through. 3 times we made this. And 1 chain, 2 times yarn over. Inserting my hook through this circle, keeping this yarn end on the round, yarn over, pull through. I will make pull through 2 by 2. 1, 2, 3 times I made. We are making triple crochet or treble crochet, how you call it. Now 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through this circle and making a triple crochet by making 2 by 2 pull through in 3 times, making 1 chain. Between the triple crochets we are always making 1 chain like this. 2 by 2. Okay, 1 chain again, 2 times yarn over like this, and a triple crochet. 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through this stitch like this. How many we made? We are considering the first 5 chains as a triple crochet 1. I will go on counting from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be totally 12, dear friends. I will go on making the same thing till I reach up to 12. I am doing the same. Let me count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more I am going to do, and this is 12. Okay, and making one chain. I am inserting my hook on top of the first 4 chains. 1, this is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and chain 4. Inserting my hook through that like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Okay, it's been like this, dear friends. There are 12 treble crochets and there are also 12 spaces like this on this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 space. I counted the spaces. For the round 2, we are going to make single stitches. It is very easy, dear friends. If you are a beginner, this project is exactly for you. I am making one chain for the upper round. I am coming to the space, and in the space I am making 2 single stitch. This is single stitch 1 and this is single stitch 2. I am coming here, there is a triple crochet. I am inserting my hook on top of the triple crochet and making a single stitch. I am coming to the following space now, and in the space I am making 2 single crochet. This is 1 and this is 2. And now I am on the following triple crochet, inserting my hook on top of this triple crochet. One moment. Okay, like this, inserting my hook on top of this following triple crochet. I'm in here making a single stitch, and on the space making 2 single stitches. This is single stitch 1 and this is single stitch 2. Inserting my hook on top of the following triple crochet and making a single stitch in the space, making 2 single stitches. On this triple crochet, making 1 single stitch. Like this, we are coming to the end of the round, dear friends. I came to the last space. In the last space I am making 2 single stitch and inserting my hook on top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. I am hiding this yarn end in the back side. In order to hide the yarn end, I am going to use darning needle. Also, this one I will hide. I will use this small size hook in order to hide the yarn end in the center. As you see, it is finished. It is so easy. In a few minutes, you can make easily, dear friends, like this. It is very nice to ornament the shawls, ornament the hats, beanies, cardigans, blankets, anything you can imagine. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you liked this project. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful, cute, small crochet wheel motif. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear. See you in the coming videos.